The first method is to check system requirements. So for that, go to Steam and here search for your game and then go below, and here you should find the system requirements, the minimum as well as recommended requirements to play the game on your PC. After this, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to restart your PC. For that, you need to click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So after restarting your system, now check if compiling shader game error is resolved or not. If not, next is to clear graphics cache. For that, NVIDIA users, you just need to press Windows plus R and then paste this text on it, and after that click on OK, and after that delete at least 10 MB plus files in this folder. And AMD users, this process can be done through Adrenaline Edition app. So for that, go to gaming, then click on graphics, then move down and click on reset shader cache to clean up all your cache. After this, check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now click on go below and expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics card. After updating, now check if the problem is resolved or not. NVIDIA and AMD users can go through the link I have already given in the description, and from there you can easily update your graphics card. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files. Now click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to allow Borderlands 4 through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings, and here you should check for the game if it's listed. If listed, simply select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After this, check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to increase NVIDIA shader cache. So for that, you first need to open NVIDIA control panel, then go to manage 3D settings. Now under global settings, search for shader cache size, and here you will get a drop down menu from where you can choose the specific threshold, and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here. Now click on settings, then go below, click on in-game, and here this will be enabled by default, so you need to click on this to disable it. So after disabling it, now check if the problem is resolved or not. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay option. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, then game overlay tab, and from here you need to switch off enable in-game overlay option. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely fix Borderlands compiling shaders error you are coming across on your PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.